Hello everyone and welcome back. So we successfully created our smart contract and we deployed it on a Remix virtual machine and we tested it. Now we want to deploy it to actually Scroll Sepolia Testnet. First thing to do is to add your Scroll Sepolia Testnet to Metamask. So if you go to this website and you can find the link here or anywhere on the screen, I actually don't know where it's gonna be. We have this add to MetaMask button, and just by clicking on this button, you are able to add this to the MetaMask. After having the network on the MetaMask, we want to be able to, retrieve some Ether to the Scroll Sepolia testnet. So here we have a website. Again, you can find the URL on screen and also you can see it in here. As you can see, we have a couple of faucets and most of them is going to require for you to have some Ether already on a MetaMask on mainnet. Some of them won't, so you will be able to find one of them that's going to work for you. After retrieving some token to Scroll Sepolia testnet, we can move forward with the deployment on Remix IDE. But if it happens that you have it on the Ethereum Sepolia testnet and not on Scroll Sepolia testnet, because these are different testnets, Ethereum Sepolia and Scroll Sepolia. So if you got it on the Ethereum one, then here is another website, as you can find the link on the screen and again in here. So with this website, you will be able to actually bridge your tokens from Ethereum Sepolia to Scroll Sepolia. If you already have it on Scroll Sepolia testnet, then we have no problem. But after you completed this process, you will go to the Remix IDE. In this deployment part, we are going to select injected provider MetaMask and the value will be 1000 Gwei. First, I'm going to check my MetaMask. If I'm on the Scroll Sepolia, it looks so. Then I'm going to say deploy. Here, my transaction, I'm going to say confirm. Here, if you click on this, you will find the contract address. Let's copy this and go to yet another website. And this is the Scroll Sepolia Explorer. You will find the link here or in there. Once you are in the Explorer, I'm going to paste this address. As you can see, it just popped up in here. And as you can see, it says contract creation and the value provided is 1000 Gwei. We have our transaction hash. It's from this address. This is my MetaMask address and this is our transaction hash and we can find more information here. And if you go to this contract, not contract creation, but let's go to here, the contract part, you can find the bytecode and we can find the events. Once the events are emitted, we will be able to find it in here. That's how you can actually deploy your smart contract on a real testnet. Here we are using Scroll Sepolia. Thank you very much. I hope it was a at least helpful process for you to get started with Solidity. If you already had knowledge, I hope you found something there, and if not, I hope it was bearable. Again, thank you very much, and I hope you are going to have a great journey creating decentralized applications, smart contracts, and together we are going to build the next version of the web. Again, thank you very much, and I will see you on the next lessons.